Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the most common minor scale on the guitar with the root note being on the sixth string. So, this is the most common minor scale. You could take this scale, this form, and move it up and down the fretboard depending on what scale you want to play, meaning A minor, B minor, C minor. Now let me show you what it looks and sounds like. Again. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. And now don't forget to subscribe and like also, all right? So for this example, I'm going to start off on the G for a G minor. Now, on the sixth string, third fret with my index finger, I'm going to play the G. Then on the fifth fret, sixth string, I'm going to use my ring finger and play that note. And then on the sixth string, sixth fret, I'm going to use my pinky finger and play that note. So it kind of looks like this. Now you can use that same pattern there, and let's do it on the fifth string. So again, with my index finger, fifth string, third fret, I'll play that note. Then on the fifth string, fifth fret, use my ring finger, I'll play that note. And then on the fifth string, sixth fret, I'll play this note using my pinky finger. So the first, the sixth and fifth string are the same pattern, really. Now, let's go to the fourth string, okay? The fourth string, third fret, using my index finger, fourth string, third fret, I'll play that note. And then on the fourth string, fifth fret, using my ring finger, and I'll play that note. So just those two notes there in the fourth string. Then we'll come down to the third string. Now the third string, second fret, using my index finger, I'll play that note. And then on the third string, third fret, using my middle finger, I'll play that note. And then on the third string, fifth fret, I use my pinky finger and play that note. So that third string looks like this. So if I were to do the first five strings, 6 through 2 actually would look like this. And then the 2 would be this. The second string would be in the second string, third fret, using my index finger. Play that note. And then on the second string, using my middle finger, on the fourth fret, I'll play that note. And then on the second string again, using my pinky finger, on the sixth fret, I'll play that note. So kind of like this. And then I'll end it on the root note. I start off with the G on the sixth string, and I'll end it on that root note here on the first string, third fret, with my index finger. So this would be it again. The whole, all those notes in a row. I'll play that minor scale. Again. And listen, you take that form, you move it up and down the fretboard, depending on what scale you want to do. Again, A minor, G minor, B minor, C minor. You go to that sixth string, you find that note, and that'll be your root note, and you just play that form over. And that's your most popular minor sixth string rooted form. Okay, so again, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and check out my other videos, including my other minor and major scale videos.